10 amazing lines on toothbrush in English for kids. This is my white with yellow shaded toothbrush. I use it every day. I brush my teeth 2 times a day. I brush them in the morning, at noon, and before bedtime. My mother taught me how to brush my teeth. I want to have clean and healthy teeth and gums, thanks to my toothbrush. How to choose a toothbrush? Choose a toothbrush head size that comfortably fit in your mouth and allows easy access to all of your teeth and gums. How long should I brush my teeth? 2 minutes, 2 times a day. Should you brush your tongue? Yes, you should absolutely brush your tongue if you are serious about your oral health. Let's talk English Academy. Think about life. English Academy is a convenient way to learn English online through easily crafted English lesson for all. Our spoken English lesson will help you speak fluent English faster and better. If you are beginner in English or want to speak advanced English, we have English speaking lessons. If you want to become fluent in English faster, follow our English courses through playlists. Toothbrush is a part of our daily routine. It's a part of our hygiene. It prevents the teeth from cavities and germs. We should only use our own personal toothbrush. Thanks for watching.